Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve under square root 2b by b equal 5 and we have to find the value of b. So let's start with today's video solution. So under square root 2b by b equal 5 by 1 we can write. Now if I'll do cross multiplication, so it becomes under square root 2b equal 5b. Now I am doing squaring both sides. With the help of the square root removes. So 2b equal 5 square is 25 and b square is b square. Now 2b equal 25b square. So if we take all the terms together, so it becomes 25b square minus 2b equals 0. Now if I take b as common, so 25b minus 2 equals 0. So first is b equals 0 and then 25b minus 2 equals 0. So 25b equal 2, b equal 2 by 25. So these are the two values of b. So this was method number 1. Now method number 2, under square root 2b by b equal 5. So if I'll do squaring both sides, so it becomes under square root 2b whole square by b square equal 5 square is 25. With the help of the square root removes. 2b by b square equal 25. 2b equal 25. 2b by b square equal 25. Now 2b by b square we can write it as b times b equal 25. So we can cancel out this. So 2 by b equal 25. So now if I'll multiply with 1 by 2 both sides, this will cancel out. So 1 by b equal 25 by 2. So b equal 2 by 25. So these are the values of b. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.